African Guinea hens. A main dish from Guinea. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. In a 6-quart heavy pan, sauté onions with garlic and butter. Step 2. Sprinkle the guinea hens with salt, cayenne pepper and paprika. Sauté on all sides until golden brown. Step 3. Add chicken stock or water, bay leaves, tomatoes, sweet potatoes and the firm bananas. Step 4. Correct the seasoning. Use a few drops of Tabasco if needed. Step 5. Cook rice in boiling salted water. Step 6. Serve the African fowl over rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.